Hey friend, it's me Tinker, and this is Bill the Builder Bot. And today in Tinkerland, we're gonna show you how you can make your very own crab craft at home. Come on. Our crab here has 8 legs, kind of like a spider of the ocean. And then it also has 2 arms with these claws on the end. How cool. To make our crab, we're gonna use this. This is a red pool noodle, and we'll start by cutting it. You can have a grown-up cut this ahead of time. We'll just cut a piece with some scissors, and then we'll take this for the body, and we'll need some red pipe cleaners for the legs. We're gonna need 8 for the legs. Now we're gonna put these right into the pool noodle here. So I just stick them in, press it in like this. I'm pressing it in kind of at an angle. Go, 2, 3, 4, perfect. And now they're pointed up, but I want them to point down, so let's bend it right here, kind of like their knees. And for their little feet at the end, I'm just gonna twist them around and make a little circle. Crabs don't have this in real life, but it'll help it look like they have a little kind of feet right here. Perfect. Now for the eyes like this, I'm gonna take 2 more pipe cleaners, 1, 2. And then I'm gonna take these googly eyes. And if you don't have googly eyes, you can cut out a piece of white construction paper and then draw in a little pupil. And I'm gonna take these and lay them face down. And then I'm gonna take these and we're gonna just tape them on. Now they're like this, and I'm gonna curl them around in a circle. And that way, when you hold it up, it looks like there's red going all the way around the eyeball. Let's do that with this one. Curl it around. Curl it around. Now we got 2 eyeballs. And we'll take these and we'll stick them in. Put one right here, boop, and one right here. Boop. Nice. Now we're still missing our big arms and claws. So I'm gonna take 1 more right here, and let's cut this in half so that it's shorter. And then we'll just stick these in here. Let's put them in front of the eyes. So I'll put 1 right here, and 1 right here. Kind of point it out. Now we need to make the claws. So I'm gonna take this red craft foam, or you could use some red construction paper, and I'm just gonna draw a claw. I'll make some zigzags on this side, and then close it up. And now we can cut these out. Nice. Now let's put these on our pipe cleaners. So I'll take a little piece of tape, and I'll just stick it right to our red pipe cleaners here. 1, 2. And I'll fold them up so that they're up high. Put our eyeballs in front, and we've got our little crab crustacean. We can make a bunch of these and put them all over our ocean floor. And you can make something just like this at home. If you don't have a pool noodle like this, you can always use a water bottle or a toilet paper roll. Get creative and have fun and see what you can come up with. Well, it's time for us to go now, but it was so much fun being creative and building things with you here in Tinkerland today. And I hope you'll come back and visit us here real soon. Until next time, see you later, friend, and happy building. There's lots more ocean creature crafts over on the Tinker and Friends YouTube channel, where we're making jellyfish, crabs, fish, and sea turtles that you can make at home. Plus, see Tinker and Bill construct a giant octopus in the park, all out of cardboard. It's all part of our Ocean Week celebration here on Tinker and Friends. See you there.